Hi. Many of us have been very conversant in the usage of the search engines that we have been using so far, where the results given by these search engines have been in the text format, the image format, or in this video, I have come up with a very booming topic or the new search engine, I could say, where for your query it would give you the results in a very detailed format, in the text format at this point of time. So let's get started to know what is this new way of searching the information for your query.
Hi, welcome to Teach Me EK channel.
If you are watching my video for the first time, please do subscribe to my channel to stay updated with my videos.
Also don't forget to like and share this video.
ChatGPT, one of the recently booming topic that I hear most of the times is ChatGPT. So in this video, I will drive you through to understand what is ChatGPT and how you can use the ChatGPT and all that. So mainly ChatGPT is a highly popular AI based program that people use for generating dialogues. So this is basically a chatbot which has a language-based model that developer fine-tunes for human interaction in a conversational manner. But mainly if you are new to this chat GPT, then this video is for you. So please stay tuned until the completion of this video so that you will understand the chat GPT better. So mainly ChatGPT is an AI chatbot which is auto-generative system created by OpenAI for online customer care. So what happens is that it's a pre-trained generative chat which makes use of natural language processing. So basically the source of its data is textbooks, websites and other various articles which it uses to model its own language for responding to human interaction. So let me show you what all this chat GPT could do for you. Mainly using this chat GPT, it can help you to write a code, or it can write articles for you, or it can also translate the text for you in the languages that you want to search for, or it can also help you debugging your code or the script that you would have written, and also it could write a story for you or a poem for you and all that. So mainly this chat GPT chatbot was launched by OpenAI in November 2022. So it's basically built on top of OpenAI's GPT-3 family of large language models, and is fine-tuned with both supervised and reinforcement learning techniques. So mainly to use this chat GPT, you would have to have sign up or sign in with your email IDs, and you would also need to verify with your phone number, where it would prompt you with an SMS, and then it would get you logged in. So this is how the home screen, or once you log in with your credentials, the chat GPT would look in like. So this is how the home screen looks like. So they have given certain examples what this chat GPT could do for you. So some of the examples would be like they have given here, like explain quantum computing in simple terms. If you type in that particular text or a phrase in the search box, so then it would give you the search results. I will show you that how it could really operate in. And it has these capabilities. Mainly it remembers what user said in earlier in the conversation, and also it allows the user to provide follow-up corrections, train to decline inappropriate requests and all that. However, they also do claim that these are their limitations, where it may occasionally generate incorrect information and may occasionally produce harmful instructions or biased content, and it has the limited knowledge of world and events after 2021. So these are certain guidelines or the informations that ChatGPT is claiming or providing before you start using it. So let me show you how this particular search engine or the information that the ChatGPT could give you. So now at this point of time, what you are able to see in the text box at the bottom of the screen is the place where you have to type in the information you would want for. So the cursor is blinking over here. So let me type in if I want to search best creative ideas to give gifts to my son on his birthday. So I'm just typing in this particular statement or the phrase in this particular search box, and then I will send it to the ChatGPT. So now let's see what it is basically giving me the different ideas. So now it has already started populating the different ideas to me. So the first statement, it is saying a personalized photo album or the scrapbook filled with pictures of special memories you have shared together, a homemade coupon book filled with fun activities or experiences you will do together, such as a day trip to a nearby city or a game night, a subscription box for a hobby or interest, a DIY gift such as hand-painted t-shirt, a special outing, a heartfelt letter, a membership to a club or organization, a cooking class for kids, a customized video game or a video game console, a new bike or a scooter. Isn't this really looking very fantastic that when you just give a search engine, it is giving you a very detailed way of ideas that you could do for your son on his birthday. So let me try a further questionnaire on the same the ideas or this that he has given with his results. So let me type in as an example with the last suggestion that it has given, a new bike or a scooter. So let me type in which is the new bike to give as gift for my son. So if I search in like this, so it is typing in as there are many great options for bikes to give as a gift for your son depending on his age, size and riding style. Some popular options include balance bikes, BMX bikes, mountain bikes, road bikes, hybrid bikes. Isn't this really very fantastic that it is acting like a very interactive way, that this particular search engine is trying to interact with you like a human nature? Isn't this really very fantastic? So I hope you could try it with different search topics or the statements that you want to search in. So these are certain examples that I try to show you. I hope this video was very interesting for you to use a new way of interaction with this particular AI based chatbot. I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos like these. Thank you. Bye bye.